From durable solid tires for worry-free rides to responsive throttles for quick acceleration, electric scooters can blend the style, safety, and performance of our daily journey. So if you are looking forward to exploring hassle-free urban commuting, here are 10 electric scooters you can buy for commuting. Meet the Nanrobot N6, a powerful electric scooter equipped for adventure. With dual 1,500-watt motors providing excellent acceleration and climbing ability, you'll feel like you're riding a beast. But don't let the power intimidate you. The N6 offers a smooth, exciting ride. This scooter comes with a high-capacity 72-volt lithium battery, available in 24 ampere-hour or 30 ampere-hour options. This gives you an impressive max range of up to 81 miles on a single charge. Take it wherever you roam without worrying about running out of juice. The advanced hydraulic suspension system provides a customizable ride experience. Adjust it to suit different terrains for optimal handling and stability when uneven ground lies ahead. It improves control while carving through the urban jungle or exploring nature's wild trails. You'll feel confident stopping quickly thanks to the nut hydraulic brakes and ABS technology. This dual system ensures balanced, safe braking performance even during fast riding. Plus, with 10-inch road tires, it will roll fast on flat city streets, but retain the ability to tackle varied terrain. The non-slip silicone deck keeps your footing planted perfectly. For safer nighttime rides, the N6 has LED headlights, turn signals, brake lights, and remote control ambient lights with 36 changing modes. When your adventure is done, the scooter folds in just 3 seconds into a compact size for storage and portability. This electric scooter is ready to unlock your riding potential on and off the beaten path.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The new KQi3 Pro electric scooter prioritizes comfort over sleek aesthetics with its robust 2.5-inch fat tires. This substantial rubber greatly smooths out bumps and cracks in the road through impressive shock absorption and traction. Riders need not weave around imperfections thanks to the scooter's rugged stability. Regenerative brakes recoup kinetic energy during deceleration, while the always-on halo headlight and taillight provide 24/7 visibility. Safety features include zero starting once 200 riding meters are achieved along with anti-theft alarm triggers, reacting to movement, power on attempts, or riding. Though not preventing outright theft, this system dissuades tampering. Considering the thoughtful ergonomics, rugged build, and smart tech like GPS phone app connectivity, the feature-packed new KQi3 Pro represents an affordable premium electric scooter, combining practical daily utility with high-quality engineering and components for smooth, safe commuting. Moving on, the TurboAnt M10 electric scooter delivers surprising value at its budget-friendly price point, thanks to a robust yet lightweight aluminum frame built under 20 pounds. Riders praise the rugged durability of the 10-inch air-filled tires, which smooth out cracks and potholes through quality shock absorption, if not matching premium-tier suspension systems. Quick braking reins in speeds via a responsive dual brake system, adding control. Despite lacking integrated security or an expansive deck, the straightforward focus on performance essentials suits no-frills urban commuting. The 350-watt motor can tackle small hills and extends a 40-minute runtime per charge. For riders needing reliable last-mile transportation without breaking the bank, the TurboAnt M10 checks all the boxes on safety, ergonomics, and usability. Locking your scooter is still recommended, but this electric vehicle's simplicity and smooth ride quality shine given the very reasonable investment. The Riley Scooters RS 3 electric scooter truly earns its portability credentials through a robust, Compactable frame, utilizing 5-fold points to practically halve its size. This allows easier storage between rides in tight spaces. The folding mechanisms add some complexity, but mastering the sequence enables seamless pack-up. Weighing just 28 pounds, the RS3 travels conveniently once collapsed. Smaller wheels do limit traction, yet the scooter remains sure-footed thanks to quality shock absorption, rivaling models on larger tires. The premium build quality shines through peppy acceleration and responsiveness, further cementing rider confidence. Downhill braking stands out as well, with dual brakes offering max security to slow from any speed. Less experienced riders sensing hazards can trust the rapid deceleration to avoid incidents. While its folding expertise clearly enables transport perks, the Riley RS3 equally impresses handling potholes or steep slopes during daily commuting with aplomb. Then comes the Unagi Model 1 E500, which sports an ultra-modern profile as the most aesthetically striking model in its class. Amazingly, the futuristic scooter still only tips scales at a featherweight of 26 pounds, enabling easy carrying between rides. An integrated bright LCD dashboard delivers riding metrics in brilliant clarity. Performance remains sporty courtesy of a potent 1000-watt motor, accelerating faster than competitors up hills, especially in sport mode, engaged via a convenient thumb-reach button. Solid tires shun flats, and maintenance in exchange for bumpier shock absorption. Yet built-in air chambers smooth out impacts slightly better than pure solid. Still, avoiding cracked pavement remains ideal to best enjoy the E500's thrilling speed. With innovative Japanese minimalist design language applied to an e-scooter, the Unagi Model 1 E500 looks and handles years ahead of its rivals. Daily urban commuting was never so sleek for riders valuing modern styling, along with driver convenience. Despite its heavier and bulkier profile as opposed to sleeker urban e-scooter rivals, the TurboAnt V8 Dual-Battery makes a compelling case as a mini electric moped, alternative perfect for tackling hills and extended range riding. The 450-watt front hub motor can peel out with snappy torque for urgent acceleration and higher speed potential cresting inclines. Stowing 2 batteries stretched out the max range to a category-leading 50 miles between charges. Quick top-ups come courtesy of a second charger to simultaneously juice each battery pack when time is of the essence. The ability to remove batteries for charging also makes the V8 convenient for apartment dwellers without grounded outlets, so riders needing to travel farther between charges while retaining peppy performance would do well to consider this mini e-moped style option. TurboAnt strikes an enticing balance blending power, range, and nimble handling. Now take a look at the Fluid Horizon V2. It refines the brand's original commuting scooter formula into an ultra-reliable urban mobility solution. A torquey 500-watt hub motor propels riders up to 25 miles per hour with 15% hill climb capacity, thanks to 800+ peak watts. Its 10.4 amp-hour and upgraded 13 amp-hour battery options stretch real-world range to 30 miles. Improved water sealing protects components while the suspension smooths out bumps. Quick folding with an integrated handle enables convenient carrying between rides. 5 LED lights pierce nighttime darkness as the customizable display and thumb throttle dial in preferred acceleration curves. Version 2 also introduces optional snap-on trolley wheels, upgrading portability further for multimodal commuters, with robust engineering ready for pavement imperfections and inclement weather alike. The Fluid Horizon V8 2 warrants consideration as a well-rounded electric scooter ready to become a daily driver for years, thanks to the quality that belies its reasonable price tag. Next, we have the EMOVE Touring, which excels with its latest upgrades, featuring an 8-inch tubeless front tire and an 8-inch solid rear tire for heightened safety and performance. The tubeless design minimizes accidents, showcasing our commitment to rider safety. Despite increased costs, Voro Motors maintains the Touring's retail price, prioritizing value for users. The scooter's customizable control center, including a telescoping stem and intuitive thumb throttle, ensures a personalized and user-friendly experience. With triple suspension and a spacious deck, the Touring accommodates riders up to 310 pounds, offering unparalleled comfort and value. Safety is enhanced with a sleek LCD display and strategically placed lights. Powered by a 48-volt 13 amp-hour LG battery and a 500-watt motor, the Touring effortlessly handles hills and reaches 25 miles per hour. Novice-friendly with plug-and-play components, it ensures a hassle-free, low-maintenance riding experience. The EMOVE Touring is impressive in both design, safety, and performance. Then we have the Apollo Air 2023, with a focus on portability, safety, and user-friendly features. Weighing only 41.4 pounds, it's Apollo's lightest offering, ideal for urban commuting and stairs. Upgraded with an 8-inch tubeless front tire and an 8-inch solid rear tire, the scooter prioritizes safety and durability. The sleek cockpit boasts a small, easy-to-read display and intuitive control buttons, including new turn signal features, comprehensive lighting, a reactive taillight, and self-canceling turn signals enhance nighttime visibility and safety. Featuring 10-inch, 2.4-inch wide tubeless tires, the Apollo Air offers a smooth ride with enhanced puncture protection. The deck provides ample standing space, water resistance, and Apollo's signature grippy rubber mat. This scooter combines premium features from high-end models into an affordable, lightweight package. With its robust build, Samsung 21, 700 battery, and IP66 rating, the Apollo Air ensures a reliable and enjoyable e-scooter experience. And finally, Fluid Vista stands out in the segment as a durable and stylish electric scooter designed for worry-free commuting. Its unique feature includes solid tires, ensuring a durable and maintenance-free ride, setting it apart in the market. You can experience a smooth ride with dual preload adjustable suspension, effortlessly gliding over rough road conditions. Tailor your journey with 2 battery options, 14.5 amp-hour for a generous 45-mile range, or 21 amp-hour for an impressive 65-mile range. Also, you can take off quickly with the responsive zero dead zone thumb throttle, reaching speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. The dual preload adjustable suspension guarantees a buttery smooth ride, even on less than ideal road surfaces. The sleek design, wide deck, and subtle fluid branding make the Vista an eye-catching choice for riders who value style and performance. So, that concludes our list of 10 electric scooters you can buy for commuting. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.